Guys, Big A here with Big A's Barbecue Garage. Tonight we're doing something a little different. I'm at a buddy's house. We're going to be smoking some pizza, barbecue pizza. We've worked on a collaboration, just something we're getting started. Stay tuned, see how we did it. We used some pork that we had smoked. Have our own sauce we're putting on it. Homemade crust by the family. Getting a little stormy out here, as you can see, but we've got 4 pizzas that are going to be going on. Continue to watch the video, see what comes out. See you. All right, guys, we're checking the pizza out. See how it looks.
Getting there.
Heavy crust.
Got some bubbling.
What's up, guys? Big A back. We have our barbecue pizza that is finished. This smoked pulled pork, our homemade barbecue sauce, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and a homemade crust. Let's see how it is. So, the sauce, good as usual. We love our homemade sauce. The pulled pork still had that great smoky flavor. We did it on our stump smoker, so it had that pit style flavor. The cheese, the sauce, the meat just all marinated together. And that crust, man, crispy as all get out. Homemade. Miss Julie made it for us, and it was flavorful and moist. I can't eat a lot of it just because of my surgery, but great flavor. Try it sometime. We ran it about 500 degrees. We put 2 plates on here, the stone plates, as you saw, and just kept it running above 350, 375 on the plates. And you'll have that crispy crust every time and great barbecue pizza. Try it out sometimes. See you guys.